Hey guys, take a look this electric mini dumpers. So itong mga makabagong teknolohiya ngayon sa China, we have the electric mini dumpers. Yan, no? So this can load 400 kilos. Comes with gasoline engine. This one is 300 kilos.
Yeah, that's true.
Thank you very much.
Well,
And there are bigger ones here that can load for 800 kilos. Ito, meron siyang pangukay. Lagay dito. Also, this comes with a gasoline engine. Look at that. So again, guys, these electric mini dumpers, mga makabago ngayon, no? It's nice. So hindi na kailangan magrenta ng ano. If you have farms, guys, if you have farms, it's actually very convenient if you have like this. Kasi ang hauling nyo, ano na lang, madali na lang. So, soon to be, lalabas ito sa abate na AGRIBIZ para sa mga gustong mag-order. Message lang kayo.